NAD, NMN, NR. There's a lot of options out there when it comes to NAD boosting for cellular health. But what does the science actually say? Let's talk about NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. This coenzyme is critical for cellular energy production and DNA repair. But here's where it gets interesting. When you take NAD directly, whether it's orally or intravenously, you're fighting against some fundamental biochemistry. Orally, your intestines break it down, and very little of it reaches your cells as NAD. And when it does, the molecule is too large for your cells to accept, like trying to fit a basketball through a straw. Even NAD IV faces a problem. While it's more bioavailable in IV form, the breakdown process can be intense and bring on uncomfortable side effects. So now let's examine precursors. NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, has been described as one step closer to NAD. It's true that NR must become NMN to become NAD, but here's the plot twist. NMN has to convert to the smaller NR molecule before it can cross to the cell membrane, then converts back to NMN inside. It's one step closer, but two steps back. And then enter NR, nicotinamide riboside. NR can directly enter the cells and efficiently convert into NAD. But what's more compelling is Niagen's patented NR ingredient. With Niagen NR, we're looking at more extensive human trials, larger sample sizes, and longer durations compared to other precursors. Niagen has more than 35 human clinical studies. The regulatory recognition, FDA notification, GRAS status, EU novel food approval. These aren't just bureaucratic stamps. They represent rigorous safety evaluations that are almost unheard of in the supplement industry. Plus, there's Niagen IV, a pharmaceutical grade formulation that shows a 75% faster infusion time compared to NAD IV, with NAD levels increasing 20% within just 3 hours. When you understand the cellular uptake mechanisms and enzymatic pathways, the NR approach makes the most scientific sense, and it's where the strongest evidence for NAD boosting is today. So if you're considering NAD support, look for products with robust clinical backing. True Niagen's patented NR Niagen stands out with its extensive human trial data and regulatory recognition. And the science suggests that precursors like NR offers advantages over direct NAD supplementation. If you're prioritizing your cellular health, choose science-backed. Choose Niagen.